Let's quickly secure your Xfinity Wi-Fi. We'll cover changing your password and enabling WPA3 for better protection. Strong passwords and WPA3 encryption are key to preventing unauthorized access to your network. This keeps your data safe and your internet running smoothly. Start by accessing your Xfinity account through the Xfinity app or website xfinity/myaccount. You can also use a browser and go to 10.0.1 if connected to your Xfinity router. In the Xfinity app or website, navigate to the Internet section, then Wi-Fi, and finally change Wi-Fi settings. Here, you can update your password with a strong, unique one. For WPA3, look for an option like Wi-Fi Security Boost or similar setting to enable it. If using a browser on 10.0.0.1, the settings are generally in the Wireless or Security tab. Most Xfi gateways support WPA3. Note that changing the password will disconnect all devices, so you'll need to reconnect them with the new password. Enabling WPA3 offers enhanced security and is recommended for all compatible devices. If older devices have trouble, consider WPA2, WPA3 mixed mode for compatibility.